Hi, my name is Sebastian Castro, and I'm the founder and COO of Leaf, and this is a box, shockingly. You know, at Leaf, we're constantly saying to ourselves, why can't it be simple? You know, why can't someone make it easy for small and medium businesses to jump on the mobile commerce bandwagon, eliminate the divide between online and brick and mortar, get rid of all the junk on their counter? You know, the stuff we've been talking about for ages and which we're going to be talking about today. And you know, we really think that it starts with being a friend to those merchants. We got to understand what their needs are. You know, being a small, medium business is difficult. So how can we make it simple? So simple that that transformation actually does come in a box. And so what we created was the world's very first built for business tablet, the Leaf Presenter, version 2.0, right here. And this is really, really simple. You order online from us, and as it's being shipped to your store, a Leaf friend will reach out to you, will actually help you set up your catalog, set up your employees, teach you how the software works, and really get you a head start so that when it gets there, it's really out of the box, ready to go. One of the other things that we do is we help our merchants set up their processing accounts. We're completely payment agnostic. You know, we're payment Switzerland, if you will. We don't take a cent off the transaction. We connect to over 30 major processors, gift card providers, mobile wallets, and we're adding more every day. And what's important about this device in that regard is that really out of the box, we want to be able to take any kind of payment, and I really mean any kind of payment. So with that, I'm going to start showing you some cool stuff here. Are there any Murphys in the room? You should leave now. Ooh, tough crowd. Anyhow, so the Leaf Presenter takes NFC and EMV contactless payments for your smartphones and smart cards. There we go. Very nice. Let's go on and take a credit card payment. You know, I want a steak and Slinkies. Let's go ahead and do that. Charge my card. That's wonderful. Well, it's processing right there. Get set up for, here we go, great. Perfect, done. We even take some of the mobile wallets already. So can you guys see my smartphone here? Perfect. I'm going to check in, and I'm going to order a salad. And I'm actually going to check out with PayPal. So where am I? Where am I? There we are. Perfect. Let's charge me. Great. And so what I've shown you here is really the versatility of the device. Again, when I mean everything, I really do mean everything. So if there's someone out there who thinks that, I don't know, whistling and jumping up in front of a camera is going to be a form of payment, I want to talk to you afterwards. So you're probably wondering, how do we make sure that the software on this device can really cover a broad range of merchant types? And the answer to that is, you know, as they say, there are apps for that. Our device actually runs the Leaf OS, Android-based, and we actually provide a host of applications that can tailor the functionality of the Leaf Presenter for different verticals. But more than any of the apps that we're providing, and at this point I'd ask that we switch over to my laptop here, we're really excited about our Leaf App Store, allow third parties to actually develop on top of our platform and really create a host of new functionalities. So we're really, really excited about the Leaf App Store. We already have several hundreds of developers creating apps to layer on top of our Leaf platform. And we really strongly think that you know, apps for small and medium businesses are going to completely transform how they conduct businesses, how they conduct their business, much in the same way that apps revolutionize the smartphones that each and every one of you have today. And some of the apps that are already being made for the Leaf App Store, you know, feature the typical and the not so typical. You know, think tax preparation, loyalty rewards. We've got some checkout-based games that are being created for Leaf. And we even have POS companies approaching us, mobile and legacy, saying, hey, we want to develop something on top of the Leaf platform. And we're absolutely 100% cool with that. And so all of this is controlled by the merchant online on their Leaf business account. Basically, this is a dashboard and a control. We made a very concerted effort to separate the managerial portion of the platform, that's what you're seeing here, with the control, or the operational part in the form of the Leaf Presenter tablet. And you can do everything. You can obviously change your catalog, employees, download apps, and all of that gets automatically pushed from the cloud into your store's Leaf Presenter tablets. So just to wrap up, at this point, you're probably thinking this guy's crazy, delusions of grandeur, custom hardware, app store ecosystem. I can tell VCs definitely do not like us. But we actually have one more really, really interesting product to show you guys today here. There's about 25 or so employees at Leaf, friends of the merchant, and scale becomes a problem, right? There's too few of us to service the massive amounts of merchants that we want to take this to. And so we said, why can't we let everyone, each and every person, big or small, potentially be a friend, a Leaf friend? And so we did exactly that. We announced our Leaf Reseller Network a couple of weeks ago and created a set of tools which the resellers can use exactly like we do to be able to distribute Leaf. And it's all automated. You can register businesses here, set up their processing information with all of the processors that we host. We automatically connect the shipping of our Leaf presenters from our factory to the merchant, and we make it really, really simple. And we think that over the long term, aligning incentives between merchant, consumer, and the friends of merchants is really what's going to make our ecosystem take off. And with that, thank you very much. I'd love to talk to you today in our booth.